Imagine this. You're standing in a city. Everything feels normal. People walking, cars moving, life going on. And then, a flash brighter than the sun. No warning, no sound at first, just light. What happens next is something most people completely misunderstand. Today, we're breaking down, second by second, what actually happens during a nuclear explosion and what it would feel like to be there. Most of us think of nuclear explosions as just a big bomb, but it's not just an explosion. It's light, it's heat, it's pressure, it's radiation, and it all hits you in a specific order. And here's the scary part. Where you are standing changes everything. The first thing you'd notice isn't the blast, it's the light. A nuclear explosion produces a flash so intense it can be seen from hundreds of kilometers away. If you're nearby and looking directly at it, you could be instantly blinded. And we're not talking about temporary blindness. We're talking about permanent damage in less than a second. But the light isn't the worst part. It's what comes with it. Right after the flash comes the heat, and this is where things turn terrifying. The temperature at the center can reach millions of degrees, hotter than the core of the sun. Now imagine that heat rushing toward you. If you're close enough, there's no time to react. Objects ignite instantly. Skin burns in a fraction of a second. Even from far away, it feels like opening an oven, except that oven is the size of a city. But before you can process it, something else hits you. After the flash, after the heat, comes the blast. A wall of pressure, moving faster than the speed of sound. Buildings collapse. Windows shatter. Cars are thrown like toys. Even if you survive the heat, the shockwave might not let you survive. And then, you see it rising into the sky, the mushroom cloud. It looks unreal, but it signals something far worse. Fires begin everywhere, and they don't stay small. They turn into firestorms. Winds pull oxygen into flames, making escape nearly impossible. But the most dangerous part is invisible. Radiation. You can't see it, you can't smell it, and you won't feel it immediately, but it's there. At first, you might feel fine. Then comes nausea, fatigue, internal damage, and it gets worse. Because radioactive particles start falling back to Earth. This is called fallout, and it can travel hundreds of kilometers. It contaminates everything: water, food, air. Even days later, it can still be deadly. Now here's something most people don't realize. Not everyone dies. Survival depends on distance, shelter, and timing. If you see a flash, don't look at it. Get down immediately. Find cover. If you survive, stay inside. Avoid windows, and don't go outside too soon. Because here's the truth. The safest place is often staying exactly where you are. A nuclear explosion isn't just one moment. It's a chain reaction. Light, heat, blast, radiation, fallout. And while it feels distant, understanding it could one day save your life. So the next time you see that blinding flash, remember, that's only the beginning.